Hello friends, I am Mr. Ravindra Bhalerao and I welcome you to my channel, that is English for Learners. Friends, today we shall discuss about the appreciation of the poem Have You Earned Your Tomorrow, written by Edgar Guest. But before watching this video, as usual I request you don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let's begin. The poem Have You Earned Your Tomorrow. In this poem, the activity number A5, and that is write an appreciation of the poem considering the following points. यहाँ कुछ points दिए, उनको ध्यान में रखकर you have to think about these points and you have to write an appreciation. And the points are given like this. About the poem, you have to write about the poem, poet, title, then theme, then poetic devices and कि कौन से figures of speech यूज़ किया है, language, style, etc. Special features, tone and type, values, message, your opinion about the poem. Now, so all these points you have to cover up in that appreciation. So answer is given, please watch it. The poet Edgar Guest, Have You Earned Your Tomorrow, is a thought-provoking composition. The title itself pushes our mind to wonder if today we have done something useful. It urges the reader to be thoughtful in everyday life about the people around them. The poet puts forward questions. Each question forces us to ask ourselves if we are kind, unselfish, patient, and thoughtful. In our everyday rush to live our life only for our own benefit, we forget to consider the people nearby who may be less fortunate. There is a interrogations in 11 lines of the 16-line poem. The language is simple. There is alliteration and rhyme. The poem has 4 stanzas of 4 lines each. The first stanza has 4 lines, each having 14 syllables. The second, third and fourth stanzas, also with 4 lines, have 15 syllables each. The clear message of the poem is one's life is meaningful only if it is useful for humanity at large. The poet says one's conscience has to be know that your existence is justified, or one cannot feel he has the right to ask for one more day of life. It is an uplifting poem. We can take the message and begin implementing it in our life immediately and every day. Now let's see next activity of this poem. Prepare a mind map on how to plan a good for tomorrow or my future goal. Take the help of points given in writing skills section for preparing a mind map. So here the students, you have to write your imaginative future plan. Okay, now here answer is given, you can watch here. My future goals, you can write like this. 1. Attempt to get minimum 90% in HSC. Then 2. Graduate in banking and insurance or integrated duals. Here you can change. Okay, next, appear for civil services entrance, and 4th one, serve the nation. So you can write like this, or you can see the another diagram, that is how to plan a goal for tomorrow. Work hard. 1. Work hard on a daily basis. 2. Get at least 90% marks in HSC. 3. Appear for JEE. 4. Get engineering degree. 5. enter defense forces to serve nation. So this is just a clue. You can use your own mind mapping, you can use your own future plan, and you have to write point wise, and you can write your points in this diagrammatic way by drawing the diagram or the point wise. Okay, next activity, write at a set of 8 to 10 interview questions to be asked to a social worker. Take the help of द फॉलोइंग पॉइंट्स. ये क्वेश्चन राइटिंग स्किल से रिलेटेड है जो आपको एग्जाम में आता है. सो इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस यू हैव टू राइट 8 to 10 क्वेश्चंस आपको बनाने हैं, क्रिएट करने हैं. जैसे कि आप किसी सोशल वर्कर का इंटरव्यू ले रहे हैं और इंटरव्यू लेने के लिए विच क्वेश्चन यू विल आस्क देम, उसको आप कौन से क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे. सो यहाँ कुछ पॉइंट दिए उनके चाइल्डहुड से रिलेटेड, एजुकेशन, सर्विस, डिफ़िकल्टीज, फ्यूचर प्लान्स, अचीवमेंट, मैसेज. सो हियर आंसर इज गिवन, यू कैन सी हियर. फॉर एग्जांपल, गुड इवनिंग Rima ma'am, one just example is given. I would like to know a bit about your life. Could we begin with a walk down memory lane to your childhood? So you can begin like this. So you can write a simple question. Here is just a lengthy question. Next question is, you can ask like this: what was your hobby or pastime in your childhood? Next, which is the best memory during your school or high school or college years? Which phase did you enjoy the most? Next question you can ask like this: you have moved to different cities due to your father's job. Which is the city or town which you loved living in the most? Next, how did you get into social service, or who was your role model or inspiration? Next question, what were the challenges and difficulties that caused any setback in your life? Next, what plans do you have for the future? Would you mind sharing a little of those with your fans? There are many achievements you have seen. Which is the most important according to you? Next question, what is the message you want to give to those in this noble field? What would be your tip, especially for youngsters? So in this way, you have to write interview questions. So friends, I hope you might have liked this video. If you liked it, please share it. If you have any suggestions for me, please write in comment box. Wish you a good day. Take care. Thank you very much.